Okay, today we're going to do a very quick test comparison of a stock D104, the Astatic D104 head, and the 10DA Super Sidebander mic head I picked up. We're on a TUP9 amplified mic stand going into the microphone tester. And first we're going to do the stock D104 mic hit. Hello, hello, hello. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, hello. Test, test, test. That typical high-pitched D104 sound. D104s are tailored for a high pitch to cut through audio, where the 10DA Super Sidebander head here is tailored for flat audio, so it's going to have more bass and not going to have that tinny. Hopefully we can hear it here. So here's the 10DA. Hello, hello, hello. Test, test, test. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Testing. 10DA Super Sidebander. So hopefully you can hear the difference, and that's going to be it between the 10DA and the D104 microphone heads. Bye.